US Bank Shopper Cash Rewards Card Review 2025. Worth it or leave it? You won't believe how much you can save on everyday shopping with the US Bank Shopper Cash Rewards Card. Most people get retail credit cards wrong by focusing on complicated rewards, but this card is designed for simplicity and practical value. The card offers 3% cashback on groceries, 2% on gas, and 1% on all other purchases. Cashback is automatically credited to your account, so tracking rewards is effortless. There's no annual fee, making it a low-risk option for frequent shoppers. Additional perks include purchase protection, extended warranty, and fraud monitoring. Digital tools allow you to manage spending and payments easily, ideal for busy shoppers. The downside: rewards are limited outside key categories, and interest rates are standard, so carrying a balance reduces net benefit. Verdict: worth it for regular shoppers looking to maximize everyday cashback. Leave it if you rarely spend in groceries or gas, or prefer flat rate rewards.